He's doing a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to get my stuff out.
Sarge, what do you need there?
No, you're good. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, okay.
You can see his car.
I'm sorry.
We have a court order for some items that are mine. I owned the majority of this furniture before I ever met Kroy.
Okay.
Like my office, the dining room, all sorts of things. When I went to LA a couple of weeks ago, I came home and he stole a bunch of stuff. Every pot and pan out of it. We had 3 full kitchens. Pots and pans, you name it, it's gone. So I started to move my stuff out.
Okay.
And that's mine.
Yes, ma'am. You guys are married?
Yeah, we're going through a divorce.
So you're still married, though?
Yes.
Okay.
And he has harassed this company so many times. I go to sleep and he moves.
So this is your moving truck right now?
Yes.
Okay.
And this has happened 3 other times.
Yes, ma'am.
He can steal everything, but then when I try, there's only a treadmill in there, an ottoman, and this stuff is being moved for this.
And you understand, I think we've spoken before, it's both yours, you know that, with married.
Right,
Yes.
but he's already stolen. So like, it's just. Listen, I don't even have a furnished room in this house. He's taken it all. You know, kitchen table. I wake up Thanksgiving morning to no furniture, no, kitchen table, no bar stools for my kids, no food, no nothing.
Is the truck leaving now then?
Yeah, no, they got a couple boxes from my hair salon, which is my hair products.
Okay.
And they're trying to look. You can put the boxes in now. It's a great time to do that, guys. Let's go. This is my salon hair products.
Are you guys leaving soon then?
Yeah, we're done. We're ready to go.
Okay,
They just blocked me in, so I couldn't leave.
Okay.
So that's why I called you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
But I leave to LA.
Understood.
I appreciate you guys coming, though. It's raining. We want to go home. It's Sunday. You guys where are the guys at?
As I said, I don't know what's going on, ma'am. I just came over here to figure it out what's going on. The lady's trying to leave. Somebody's
No, I'm trying
preventing.
to move my stuff out. And Kroy, my ex-husband, is trying to block everything. He's locked me out the door.
Okay, what is the legal situation here? Because I think there was a point that you guys were like, so there's some like a legal litigation going on that people are trying to move out, and some people could not move some stuff. What was the deal?
Kroy stole a bunch of stuff, and so I'm just getting out like the treadmill's mine, and
Okay, so it was any like
so I have a document that says some of it's like obviously irrelevant at this point because there's no persons because he stole them all, but you know things.
okay, where's Kroy?
He's sitting over here on my china cap. We're coming here to the left.
Okay, hey, right here, sir. Hey, I'm Sergeant for the Milton PD. So what's going on?
Well, this individual here seems to think that everything belongs to her. I've
Okay.
had enough. And they continue to empty out this house
Okay.
with property that belongs to me.
Okay. No, you're good. I mean, as I said, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
And so I am not allowing that to happen.
Okay, so what's the deal with the whole the court decision and all that stuff? Because I understand it, and again, correct me if I'm wrong. I've never met you. I've met your wife before. I've never met you before, but I'm trying to understand what's the court's decision in reference to property here.
It's still holding our property.
Are you guys? Did the divorce go on? It's still going on.
Still going on.
Okay. There's the one thing that, as I said, right now, I'm not sure if there's any paperwork dictating what is yours or it's hers.
Correct.
I understand that you guys were married or are in the divorce process.
Yep.
So at this point, I understand that both of you understand that this is a civil dispute between you and her. The only point that, as I said, you cannot prevent this truck from leaving.
I can if it's full of my stuff.
Well, as I said, I can't prove that it's yours or hers.
Right.
Okay, so at this point, this person can't, like, I don't want you to get in trouble for preventing a person from leaving the property if they're here legally.
Their bodies can leave. That truck's not leaving.
Well, that truck can leave.
It cannot leave my property once.
Well,
it's
as
on
I said,
my property.
that's the well,
There's no law.
but there's
There's
her,
no law that states anything about that.
but it's her property as well.
It's my property.
It's her property as
It's
well.
my property.
Well, okay, but I guess you can't prevent that truck from leaving,
I
sir.
can't prevent that truck. It's on my property. So
That-
when it pulls down on that property, it's down on my
That's
property.
not-
There's
that
no
tr-
law that says I
that truck
can't.
is not yours.
There's no law that says I cannot.
What's your name? What's your name? Kim?
Her name?
Your name.
My name Kim.
Okay, Miss Kim. Let me ask you this. So you guys can pack your stuff.
I'm just gonna grab my pictures right here. In the
Okay, listen, ma'am. I don't know exactly what's going on because it's the first time I've been here. But what I understand is that there is a process that is going on right now between you and your ex-husband, or soon-to-be ex-husband, about the divorce, about something that in the past he could not remove any furniture from the house.
Let's start
And
over.
as I said, I'm not.
I went to LA and I came home to nothing.
Okay, listen,
So
listen.
This is just.
Listen. Just
I get
because
it.
he,
I get it.
just because he did, do you believe that he did something that he shouldn't do?
Yes, 100%.
Okay, well.
Oh, I thought you were asking me. I'm
no,
sorry.
no. Can I finish talking,
Yes.
please?
Yes.
If you believe that he did something that he was not supposed to do, that's you have a legal representation, correct? So you contact your legal representation, advise that he is in the contempt of the court order, and you go from there. Same thing I explained to him. If this is contempt of the court order, he has to file the same thing.
It's almost over. I'm moving.
Okay, but again, it doesn't matter if it is about there's one piece of furniture left. It doesn't matter. You guys have to come to an agreement, because at this
I'm a very
point,
rational person, sir.
Because
The
at
police
this-
have not. They called for Kroy. They didn't call for me.
I understand what I'm saying is that the whole situation is coming because there are two adults that cannot come to like an agreement, and again, there's a reason why there is a
Because
court
he doesn't
order,
like what's done to him.
because there's a court order in place, and you guys have to obey what the judge said, what the judge signed.
She
Okay.
has everything documented that she's inventoried, so you guys
She
can
has
put it out.
everything.
Exactly.
100%.
And again,
Yeah,
at
I'm
one
not
point,
here.
if this is later on, it said that the judge granted Mr. Kroy with the
All of
with the
this
belongings,
furniture,
that has to be returned to him at one point.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is that
None of
right
it
now we
is
can't
off
decide what belongs to who. It belongs to both of you.
Right.
Like
Yeah,
he.
so this is a waste of your time, my time. I have, he has his own house fully furnished from this house. I don't
Okay.
have.
Okay, as I
very
said,
many
that's-
things. And
as
if
I-
I do their pre-marriage,
Okay.
that's it. I'm
That-
sorry that you're here. It's absurd, but the moving company,
Okay.
unfortunately. has
Okay,
has
he is
to go
about
you.
to. They're packing up. There's no more. Like as I said, they're.
She's grabbing my photos.
Grab.
No, can you grab my photos off the wall? They're going to be gone.
Ma'am, I would say pack your stuff and leave, and then that we go from there. Because at that point, as I said, it's going to be between you two. Like I'm not gonna.
The Marilyn Monroe, let's get that one. That's mine from Cal. I'm going to get it. I'll get it and give it to you.
You guys want to put this up, please?
Yeah, just like roll up the thing, and as I said, in the future, as I said before, you start moving stuff, making sure that you have all the paperwork documented from both parties. Because I said, I'm saying just to don't know you for you not to be in a bad position, because we have two parties saying opposite. Correct.
Help me with the ladder. I just come with the court order. The court order. I come with the order they give me. The court order.
Yeah, as I said, but don't put yourself in a situation where you can avoid in the future. You know what I mean?
Right.
Michelle, can you help me move the ladder to the base of my arms?
Can you go with the ladder? Move the ladder.
And I said, we don't have any say because everything is civil. We just try to making sure that they are not held against their will here. I know that the truck belongs. I appreciate you moving the truck for them to leave. Stop packing all that stuff.
I'm not holding any person against their will.
Okay, I appreciate that.